Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is the 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising from 25th till the 31st of August. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And I'm going to do this reading today a little bit differently. And I'm sorry about the background music. It's like the Ganpati festival have started in Mumbai, and I love it. Although I don't do puja and everything. I respect all religions. I dropped all religions. I don't belong to any religion now. It's just spirituality and being human. But I love all of this. It's festive season. It makes me feel good. Let's see the overall energy for Cancer people for this week from 25th till the 31st of August. We have the existence. Okay, Cancer, you have to feel happy about the way you are. Existence made you unique. You don't have to do anything different in order to impress the whole universe or impress the divine. Accept yourself the way you are, accept what you are and who you are, and accept the fact that every one of us is unique. The moment you are going to accept yourself for what you are and you who you are, and the fact that you are unique, existence is existence and you are going to become one. It's like you are part of existence right now, right? And you might not be able to feel satisfied, very satisfied with who you are or what you are. You're continuously trying to change something in you in order to fit, maybe in the societal circle, in the box or something. Don't do that, because existence made you different for a reason. Existence wanted you to be exactly the way who you are, exactly the way who you are. You don't have to change a single thing in yourself in order to, be liked or loved by the whole existence. I'm not talking about human here, right? It's hot. Yeah. So for existence, you are perfect, and your connection with existence is unique. So you can definitely stay in touch with yourself. The moment you're going to stay in touch with yourself and with who you are in reality, with all of your truthfulness, existence and you are going to become one. My god, this music is kind of making me a little bit, I don't know what to say. Distracted, not disturbed. I feel like going there and dancing. I will, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, let's see. 25th, Cancer. Playfulness. See, the more you are going to be in a playful kind of energy, not giving a shit about anyone or anything, not thinking about what other people are going to think about you. They are going to feel like you are crazy. They are going to feel like you behave like a kid. Don't worry about anything or anyone. Just live your life as beautifully as you can. See, can you see the naked figure underneath this cover? This is just a thin layer of clothing, and this clown face is kind of feeling free because they are clown. The clothes they are wearing are very light. They are not like carrying a heavy and burdensome kind of load on themselves, and the stars around them are making like are telling me that they are in their own world. So enjoy your craziness, enjoy your playfulness, enjoy your childlike energy. Don't worry about who is liking you or who is hating you. Do not hurt or harm anybody by whatever you're doing, but do not lose your playfulness and your craziness. You are unique, and just keep going. Enjoy. Okay, this is the message for you for 25th of August. 26 is comparison. You might have this tendency to compare yourself to others. Now this is this is a very strange thing. I don't understand why people do that or how they do that. I never did that in my life. This is an oak tree. I think it's an oak tree. I don't know. It can be anything else. The point here is this is a tree. Well, like different kind of tree. This is bamboo tree. They have their own characteristics. They have their own period of growing. They have their own seasons. So how can you compare two plants or two trees with each other if they are having two total different characteristics? Same, but they are both plants. They are both trees. I don't know, bamboo tree. Yeah. So they are both trees. So we are all humans, but we are all different. Although we are one energy, right? We have different journey, we have different souls, we have different imprints. How can two people and two people's growth can be same? Only twin people, that those twins who came out of the same egg, they only share a little bit of similarity in their energies. Their fate, their karma is also different, to be honest with you. So comparison is foolishness. If you are doing it, stop it. If somebody else is doing it, enjoy the show. Don't give too much energy. Okay. 27th, we have the projections. See, we as humans have this tendency to project our own thinking, our own beliefs, our own conditioning on others, and we see others through that lens only. So we are not, sorry, we are not able to see people, situations, or things for what they are and who they are because of our own projections. Because of, we can make them good, very good, like okay, they are the best person I met in life, or we can make them bad, like they are the worst kind of person I met. This is all our projections. So before knowing everything about a particular person or situation, from death, from death, before knowing the whole truth about the situation, don't try to project your own things on anyone. Okay, keep that in mind. Projections can be dangerous at times. 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, we have the beyond illusion. So on the 28th of August, you are going to realize that you are able to see people, situations, and things for what they are and who they are. You are going to listen to yourself, I think. Okay, so you will be able to understand that certain kind of reality or truth that you think is the reality or truth is not actually the reality or truth of a situation. Meaning, this the cuckoo, the caterpillar lives in a cocoon, and for that caterpillar the cocoon is the truth. But I don't know, he, like caterpillar is a he or she, I don't know, they have a like gender, let's say they are a he. So but the caterpillar doesn't understand that they are going to become a butterfly someday. That's their reality, that's their real potential. Similarly, you will be able to understand, or you should understand, that the dark phase of your life, or that phase of your life that you think is the reality, is not the actual reality. The truth is, you are here to reach your true potential and become your highest version and stay in tune with existence. Okay, so see beyond the illusion, see beyond the Maya, or try to, and you will be amazed. 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. 29th, we have the exhaustion. Don't become too mechanical, don't become too robotic. If you're exhausting yourself by doing multiple things at the same time, trying to overachieve, trying to think like, okay, if I'm going to kill myself, I'm going to get an award or something, you're stupid, you're dumb. Because you're missing the point here, that even if you are going to have a lot of money, a lot of, name and fame and everything, if you don't have peace, if you don't have that slow pace life where you can enjoy your life and slow down a little bit, you are not living your life, you are just living like a robot, you are just a mechanical thing then. So don't exhaust yourself by overdoing certain things. From time to time, take a break, be a human. Okay, cry, be a human, laugh, be a human, express yourself, be a human, breathe. Cool. 30th, we have the ripeness. Okay, you are about to get the results of your hard work. If you are planning to give up on something that you're working on from quite a long time, Cancer, don't do that, because you are about to get the magic here, you're about to get the magical results of your hard work here. It's like some kind of fruit is kind of ripened. It's like the last cycle or the last hit in the nail, and you are going to get something done. Yeah, so do not give up on something that you're working on, and you might be working on it from a very long time now. Okay, 31st, we have the clinging to the past. Yeah, okay, certain imagery of the past, or certain people, situations, things, good, bad, and everything, you are kind of still living in the past. From time to time, you keep on going to the past. It can be happy past, it can be negative past, doesn't matter, but you have this tendency to keep on going to the past again and again and again. Try to understand that there's nothing left in the past for you. Everything is gone, everything is done. Even if you think it is not, it's just your mind trying to cling to something comfortable, something, even if it is painful, it's comfortable. So try to get out of your head, try to get out of your past, try to stay in the present moment as much as you can. Clinging to the past never gives anyone anything in return, ever, in the history of humankind. Past is past for some reason that you have to keep on reminding yourself. Let's see the final messages for you guys, final message for you guys, final guidance card for you guys for this week. Cancer. Change is the only constant. Things changes, people changes, situation changes, life changes. With each passing day, your age is increasing. You are not the same age as you were 1 minute ago. Okay, you are not the same person as you used to be 1 week ago. So you have to understand change is the only constant in this lifetime. Try to adapt with the changes. Do not resist changes. Do not cry that why the hell things keep on changing, because again, change is the only constant, and nothing is permanent on this planet earth. Not you, not me, not our pains, not our happiness, nothing. Yeah, this is the ultimate guidance. Adapt with the changes slowly but surely. Take your time, but try to go ahead, go with the flow instead of against the flow. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.